Good morning. My name is Yugandhar Reddy. I have 7 years of IT industry experience, and today I'm going to explain about strategy design pattern. Okay. Um, if you see this strategy design pattern diagram, the strategy is an interface. It contains the concrete strategies, concrete strategy A and concrete strategy B in one context. Actually, what is the use of a strategy design pattern? Strategy pattern defines a set of encapsulated algorithms that can be swapped to carry out a specific behavior. That means what it will give us, it, it swaps the some algorithm to the subclasses. I mean, whenever client calls some context, so this context operation is carry from interface to strategy. Okay. Suppose if you see this diagram clearly, context, strategy, and concrete strategy B. Okay. Actually, the strategy pattern is used where we want to choose an algorithm with a runtime. I mean, this follows a algorithm and uses the delegation from interface to subclasses. Okay. For example, where can we use this pattern is saving the files in different formats, running various sorting algorithms, or file compression. So now we will see one example about strategy pattern. Okay. Now this is an interface. Uh, Name is compression strategy, and it contains compress files method. So because this is interface, this method should be implemented in the concrete strategies. For example, zip compression strategy. So the same method is implemented here. Okay, this is one hierarchical thing. So the main where is the context? Okay, so this compression context is the context. So this is the most important in strategy design pattern. So this is called compression context. What this context contains? This context contains an injection of strategy object. Suppose I am setting the compression strategy interface into the setter methods, and using that object I am calling the compress files. This almost like a setter injection, or we can give a constructor injection. Okay, but the calling uses the delegation. I mean, it goes to interface and it comes to the subclasses. So here what it contains, the context contains a setter or constructor injection, as well as it uses the delegation. So now we'll see. Now what this client is doing, he is creating a context object. Because this context object contains setter methods, he is setting the zip compression strategy object inside the context. Now using the same context, we are calling the create archive method. It comes to this. We already know the compression strategy is a zip compression strategy. So it calls the compression files inside the zip compression strategy, and it executes this method. So that's all. If you see another example, okay, this is a context. object, and here we are using some setter injection, or we can use some here we are using constructor injection, or we can use some setter injection, anything. Now we are calling the get result using that strategy button. Check temperature. Okay, you see this demo. We are creating the context object. I am passing the key strategy, and using the context I am calling the get temperature method. And I am setting one more strategy called hike strategy. If I set key strategy, it will call that strategy, and if we set hike strategy, it will call the hike strategy. So this is a set rejection, this is a constructor rejection, this is get result. If you run this, so what I am passing 60 Fahrenheit. I am calling the get result method. I am checking the temperature. Now it goes to first I have set hike strategy. 60 is greater than 50, and 60 is less than or equal to 90. In Fahrenheit, I don't know, but it returns true. Demo. I don't know, it returns false, so that's why it's printed. After that we set, okay, so this is hike strategy. Hike strategy returns true. This true. And key strategy 60 is less than or equal to is false. It returns false, so that's why it's printed false. I mean, so the context object we can give the here we are giving setter injection, constructor injection, and we are putting the key strategy related things, and we are giving setter injection. We are giving the results to hike strategy. So this is all the strategy design. But thank you for watching my video. So if you want to have any clarifications, or if you have any doubts, please mail to me, yugandhar@java@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my video.